Welcome to episode 6 of our live streaming lighting solution. Today we will share some tips on how to build a live stream studio with an LED screen background. The LED screen background is a superior alternative to green or blue cloth backgrounds, as it is suitable for a variety of live stream studios. It solves the problem of not being able to properly showcase green or blue products. When using multiple cameras for live streaming, the LED screen keeps the background looking real, giving your streams that professional touch. So let's dive into the setup details. We created a spacious box space that measures 5 meters in length, 5 meters in width, and stands tall at 3.5 meters using trusses. And right behind that box, we placed a massive 3.5 meters by 3.5 meters LED screen. When it comes to visual effect, quality is key. So make sure you pick a high-quality screen to achieve the best results. To create a captivating effect, we positioned the SL200 with a 35 by 160 softbox on the left and right rear of the streamer, slightly higher than them. These lights serve as backlights, contouring their profiles and adding depth to the image. At the top of the streamer, we placed two F22 bi-flexible lights to illuminate both the streamers and the products on the table from above. To provide key lighting, we positioned an SL300 with a P120 softbox above the left front, illuminating the streamer and the products on the table.
You know what I mean?
For the right front, we also placed an SL300 with a P120 as a fill light, reducing shadows caused by the key light. A word of advice. Remember to attach grids to all the lights. This allows you to have precise control over the lighting area. So there you have it. This is our solution for a live stream studio with an LED screen background. If you found this video helpful and want to dive deeper into the world of live stream solutions, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in, and have a great day.
No matter where you're from, all around the world, it's one unique, one special vibe.